Here's a 2015 Chrysler 200. Drive proud. Drive the all-American Chrysler 200. It's in a class of one. It comes with great features you love. Bluetooth wireless audio streaming. You connect with Bluetooth. Manual tilting steering column. Multifunction steering wheel. Manual telescoping steering column. Automatic transmission. Active grille shutters. Gas pressurized shocks. And keyless enter and go. Cars.com reports in crash tests by the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, the 200 sedan earned the top score, good across all categories. Accordingly, the car is an IIHS top safety pick. Chrysler, where top flight engineering meets affordable luxury. You'll never know until you try. Test drive it today.
We offer superior vehicles. Come and see for yourself. We are easy to find on 5520 South Shaver, 1/2 mile east of the Gulf Freeway, exit 34.